Hi everyone, this is Wilson from placesandfoods.com. I'm sure you've probably seen the Nespresso 1 ringgit coffee machine from the Facebook ads or from their website. So I bought this Nespresso 1 ringgit promo over the weekend, and I received the packaging on Tuesday. I just bought this like 1 ringgit, and I have to commit like 80 ringgit per month for 1 year, and the machine will be mine. So the 80 ringgit actually will convert to credit, where you can buy the espresso capsules. So now let's open this. So this is delivered by DHL Express. Okay, so this is it. The Nespresso Essenza Mini, which is like this. Okay, you can carry like this. It's pretty small. So this is for 1 ringgit, yeah. And I hope they send me the right color. So I ordered the black one. So it's made in Ukraine. And let's open this carefully. So it's like this. Yes, they got me the right one. So something like this. So this is the grey color machine. They have the white one and I think they have the green one. So I wanted this one. So it comes with I think it's the capsules. And our curious boy is like a paw. So that's like the instructions here. Okay. Let me try to take this out. Oh, honey fun. Okay, this is it. Yeah, just let me put everything nicely together. So let me show you the capsule first. You know, the great thing is like they send you this so you can actually try the taste first before you order it online or you visit their stores, physical stores. So it's a good thing that they send you the samples so you know which flavor you want before you order it online or at their physical stores. If not mistaken, they have one physical store at the Gardens. I'm not sure another one is in Wanatama. So disclaimer first, before the other guys like, hey, you get sponsored by Nespresso doing this. Nope, this is not a sponsored product, guys. It's only 1 ringgit. Come on lah, 1 ringgit, you want to sponsor me, man? Alright now. So this machine is only 1 ringgit. I think usual price is like 5.99. This is the cheapest one, 80 ringgit per month. You need to commit for a year. And they also have a second tier of 120 and another one exclusive with a bigger machine. So you need to commit 1 year, which is 80 ringgit times 12 months, 960 ringgit per year. The machine will be yours, and the 960 ringgit are actually credits to order the Nespresso capsule. So you can see there are many different types of capsules, samples they offer you with this package. So they have the Intenso, Espresso, Master Origin, Lungo, Decaffeinato, and variations. So all of these capsules you can order online or you can visit on their physical stores. So this is useful for first-time customers of Nespresso. So now I know what type of flavors I want. So this comes with the Nespresso Essenza mini coffee machine. Okay, now let's try this new Nespresso machine. you. Okay. And I need a full cup. Yep. So this is Nespresso and Vivo Lungo or Lungo. You can smell the fragrance of coffee. Actually, like the whole kitchen can smell the aroma of the coffee. So on the scale, this is number 9. So it's a very strong coffee. Really enjoy this. What I like about this Nespresso capsule is there's a lot of selections that you can choose, and with the sample pack you can actually know what type of coffee person or coffee taste you want to order from your online store or from the physical store. So with this Nespresso Essenza mini machine, this like opens a new coffee world for you. So for coffee lovers, you can consider this. And from what I read from the website is you can actually return the capsules for them to recycle. This is a very good initiative from Nespresso. So I hope you like this video. This is a very simple unbox review video. And if you want to see more food and travel videos, do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching guys, and see ya.